What's going on, you guys? Welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace a broken or worn out door handle on a Nissan 350Z. And if you're like me, you guys are experiencing that broken door handle that just won't allow you to get in the car. And doing things like rolling down your window and reaching your arm in aren't necessarily the most convenient thing to do in the middle of the night. All right, next up, as I open the door from the inside, right on cue, prop this open. In most videos, you guys see that you need only a flathead screwdriver and a 10mm socket, but in my instance, this is not the case. And so I'm hoping some of you guys are out there that are experiencing the same problem and you're looking for a second plastic piece. It's actually behind this door. It's a mechanism that recognizes the door is closed. So you're gonna pop this off. Well, you're not gonna pop this off. You're gonna unscrew this and you're gonna pop off the bottom one. All right, so you guys can see at the top there, we've got the 10mm bolt. And if I bring it down and you guys look into the second one, we've got the second 10mm bolt. So once you take those two bolts out, then the door handle will become loose. All I'm gonna do is just take the magnet, because I don't wanna try to be a superhero. We got the top one out and I'm nervous and I'm off. Oh wait, that's why we got the come on G, that's why we got the magnet. Oh, what the, that better be a part. God, broke. Oh man, hope you guys broke. Supposed to get that out from being in the blue thing. Got to put that back in at some point. Now we're at the part of taking off the tumbler from the actual door itself. So you got to remove this tumbler. Put it onto the new door. Didn't realize my camera wasn't recording, but I'm now to the point where I'm going to be putting in the new door handle. So we're just going to be reversing the process of how we got here. So first step we're going to do is we're going to apply it. Let me reach down here. We're going to put this tumbler that has the key back into place here. So there's a single screw, 10mm or Phillips head, that goes in the left side. Start with that hand tight. Grab my ratchet, wherever it is, right here. Ratchet that down. Okay, got that into place. So next we have this bar down here. That just comes up. Let's actually take this blue bar back out. It will go in with the door handle once we get this pink one in, but I don't know, it kind of frightens me. I don't want to lose this one, so I'm gonna keep it out. So let's see if we can get this one on, because this one is attached, so it will connect in to the door there. After it's in the pink, hopefully you guys could still see, we just got to rotate this guy around. Boom, snaps into place. And this rod, which will also go in similar to the pink one down below. After that gets in there, you want to twist that piece back around. All right, goes down. Goes down in there, and you're going to put it into that blue. Let's see if I could do this with one hand. much done installing. Just gonna put the rest of the bolts in place. Close the door. That's a good sign. Let's lock it. Okay, nothing. Let's open it. Boom. Dunzo. And that, you guys, is how you fix a 350Z broken door handle.